this project, I'm going to be using a worsted weight acrylic yarn, but any yarn and corresponding hook size will work. You'll need a pair of scissors. I'm using a 4mm crochet hook, and that's all you'll need. So to get started with our heart, we're going to need to make a magic circle. I do this by wrapping the yarn around 2 of my fingers like this, cross it over, then you're going to insert your hook under the first strand, hook the second strand and pull it through to make a loop, insert your hook into the loop, and then we're going to twist to make a slip knot. I like to pinch that so it doesn't come undone. And then we're going to chain 4. So hook your yarn with your hook and pull it through the loop to make a chain. Hook the yarn, pull it through, there's another chain. So we need 2 more, and there's our chain of 4. So now we need to make 3 treble crochets into our magic circle right here. To make a treble crochet, you're going to yarn over twice, insert the hook into the magic circle and pull up a loop. You should have 4 loops on your hook. Hook your yarn, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 more loops, and pull through the last 2 loops. And there's 1 treble crochet. So now we need to make 2 more of those. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2 more, and pull through your last 2 loops, and there's your second treble crochet. Let's do 1 more. And there's our 3 treble crochets. Now we need to make 3 double crochets. Yarn over once, insert your hook into the magic circle, pull up a loop, pull through 2, and pull through the last 2. And there's 1 double crochet. So let's make 2 more of those. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2 more, and there's your second double crochet. 1 more time. And there's your third. Now we're going to chain 1, so just hook your yarn and pull it through the loop to chain 1. Now we're going to make another treble crochet. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2 more, and pull through the last 2. Now we're going to make 1 more chain, and that is going to be half of your heart. So now we're going to do the exact same thing on this side to make the other half of the heart. So we're going to start with the 3 double crochets, yarn over once, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, there's 1, two, and 3 double crochets. Now we need to make 3 more treble crochets. Yarn over twice, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2 more, pull through the last 2, and there's 1 treble crochet. So let's make 2 more of those. Now to finish off, we're going to make another chain of 4 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to slip stitch into the magic circle. So we're going to insert our hook, and rather than pulling up a loop, we're going to pull directly through this loop here to make a slip stitch. So that finishes our heart. We just need to close the magic circle and it'll all come together. So we're going to pull in our yarn tail here. Just pull that tight. And cut your yarn. And now let's pull this yarn tail through the loop one more time. Tighten it up. And there's our heart. So now we just need to weave in these yarn tails. I like to tie mine in the back. Then I'm going to weave them in. And trim off any excess. And there you go, there's your heart. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, I'd love to hear what you think down in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so I can bring you more videos like this in the future.